All right, let's go in and see. Let's go in and see what's going on today here in TLC world. Come on with us. Life of a contractor. There's always something going on. Always something going on. Morning, girls.
Morning.
What's going on with you guys?
Holiday lighting.
Holiday lighting, holiday lighting, holiday lighting. Holiday lighting was busy this year, wasn't it?
Yes. Still getting busy.
Busy this week, and then we'll shift, and then it'll be a lot of drainage, a lot of lawn sprinkler, a lot of outdoor lighting, a lot of garage makeovers, a lot of garage floors. Oh, busy. What do you say? What do you say? How about them Redskins?
Yes.
We'll make it a wild card.
Redskins, Washington Commanders.
Always be Redskins.
Always be Redskins to me too. But...
Always be Redskins. Alrighty, let's go in here let's see what's going on here this morning. Actually, it's almost noon, and we're going to do some podcasting coming up with a couple clients. Let's take a look what's going on here. What's going on here, gentlemen?
Not much.
Where'd you get out? Lock up this morning, or what?
Yeah.
I'm just teasing you. How you doing, Mr. Bill?
Good. Well, it's time for my medication. They didn't want to
Oh, time for your medication.
Yeah,
Right. Bill, so that's not very nice. You used to treat me better when I was a client and an employee. Now you're, what are you now? Semi-retired?
I don't even know.
You don't even know?
No. All I know is I keep getting all these jobs offers on emails, and I keep deleting them all. No.
No. Yeah. Y'all ready for the holidays?
I'm getting there.
Getting there?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Bo, how are you and Mr. Austin making out in here?
Almost ready.
Almost ready to go?
You are ready.
Ready?
You can sit down whenever you want.
Okay. All right. And Mr. Chase, what are you doing? You getting in trouble?
Digging in the trash.
Huh? You playing in the trash?
He's just here to help.
Trying to.
Yeah, he looks like he's getting in trouble to me. He's trouble to me. Rainy day. A rainy Saturday. But we got to get Christmas hung, so we're going to be out in the rain getting some Christmas lights rehung. Did you find a key, sir?
He's not there.
Not there?
Not there.
Okay. And how about what else we have here?
129.
Yeah. Who's 129?
129?
Who's 129?
That is my other brother.
Adner's truck?
Yes.
That works. Is it sitting here?
Yeah, 129.
Morning. Wet morning, huh? Caitlin, you good?
Yes.
I took that stop you had on Monday for the timer for the guy in Bethesda and put it on a Wilbur.
Yes, all that. Perfect. Thank
Okay,
you.
so we can get done. Get that guy done, complete, and collect.
Yep.
The digital imaging for the landscape lighting.
Digital imaging. Yeah,
Did you do any?
I didn't, but I can. As a matter of fact, email me and put in there landscape lighting, digital imaging. Send that to me if you can today.
Will do.
That'll remind me. I'll call people across the country. I know that can help us for sure.
That'd be great.
And we'll get that going. Yeah, that's a good idea. I forgot all about that. Caitlin and I'll be back and through. If I'm not back by 12 and you want to leave at 12, just you know the routine.
Yep.
Okay. Oh. All right. And you see, I got two drainage leads came in from YouTube in the last couple hours. You see them?
Yeah, there's a lot of leads.
A lot of leads, yeah, from last night. But I got two campaign I launched last night. It sat there for hours, didn't do nothing. No impressions, no clicks. 4 o'clock, I get up, and the fucking thing's going crazy. It's like, what the fuck is going on with these guys? I don't know what they do in California. But hey, as long as it's working. I think some of their data and analytics comes in as delayed. Because it's West Coast, so it's delayed by 3 hours. And then I think there's another 3 hours on top of that till it populates back into my software. So I always get a delayed reaction from it. Because I had 51,000 impressions in like 4 hours, and then it would come in my clicks, and then we had 2 conversions. So it'll probably start really going crazy today and tomorrow, especially with rain.
Yeah.
Now, if you could get 20 of them going for you, Matt, that you get the guy for 12,000, that'd be cool. Imagine 20 of them coming up a month of December or January for install. That'd be great. Right. Hey, we're in Glen Burnie this morning, looking at a garage floor for a customer that's building a new house, just about completed. We're gonna look at this garage floor. We did a garage floor for his house he just sold and moved from. So we'll take a look at this today, get some quick measurements here, and our goal is to get this floor in before he moves in the week before Christmas. So we're on this. We're in Glen Burnie, doing a rehang today. Christmas lights. Guys have already got the lights back up to the roof. Glenda's over here doing the garland. Yeah, you got the roof all done?
All with that.
Good, man.
Yeah. This is that. 200.
Is it 200?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not the best weather day in the world, but getting her done.
Yeah.
Do the lights go across the back or just the sides? Front and sides?
This is front and the side.
Yeah.
Nothing in the back.
Yeah. Okay. So you got your garland here.
Yeah, they got it.
What else you got left over here in the front?
No, that's it.
Huh?
There's only the garland here.
And you got it? And you be good? We got lights in the garland.
Yeah.
What color we got? Candy cane? That'll look good. You got a reef here or no?
No.
No reef? Roof? Candy cane? Okay. So we got the front and sides in warm white, C7, and then we're wrapping these two columns up in some garland and some candy cane red and white, and that'll complete this job today, this morning. And we'll have this time to run 6 hours in the evening and go off, come on automatically and go off automatically after 6 hours. Head to the next job. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.